Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the Chewbacca 480 low flat and Stormtrooper 570 ball crossover set. And yes, I just got home. And also, hope you guys like I put everything back up here, and I added all my hats on this wall and the other wall. Yeah, so my plasticine, and then all my hats, and more down here. Then I have some up here. But yeah. Okay. Let's go. There he is. I actually got these today. Surprisingly, found this. My hands are absolutely destroyed right now because of work, washing my hands, the weather. But yeah. So if you're wondering why my hands are absolutely destroyed, that's the reason. Okay. There we go. Okay. Let's get this. Ow. Another crossover base. There. I'll add this to my stack. So there. There we go. And then the Star Wars crossover light launchers that are useless to me, at least. So let's get on to the weaker one. A rhino horn. Yeah, rhino horn or that beast something. Blank on its name. A gorgeous white 570 in a ball. Black ball. Let's put this QR code. And this one's actually really cool. Chewbacca. It's a lot thicker. Really happy about this. I actually really like this design. Horrible 480 in a low flat. But yeah, stay tuned for a battle between these two guys. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.